Hey everyone, I'm back with another long awaited video. I'm going to show you how I got this fall mocha brown colored wig, so just stay tuned and I will show you step by step how I got it.
Yeah. Now when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. I got hitters on my block every day. And when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. You know I do this for my block every day.
So I used a 613 closure wig and I used my Got To Be Free spray to spray the lace so that the dye won't bleed onto it. I boiled some water and I added it to my bucket and I used Mahogany and Mocha and a door. First I added the Mahogany, probably I want to say about half the bottle, and then I added the Mocha. I feel like the Mahogany was more on like a dark purplish color, and whereas the Mocha was more on a brown color, but you'll see as I keep dipping and the color that it comes out to be. But just make sure that you saturate the wig entirely inside the bucket with the water and the color. So the color was coming out very like, I want to say like a dark purplish color to me at first. So I began pouring more of the Mocha directly onto the hair and brushing it out like throughout the wig. So here I felt like the color was coming out like a lot more on the dark purplish brown color, so I added some cinnamon and Adore directly to the wig just to lighten it out a bit and give it more of that like fall brownish auburn color. And that was pretty much it. I feel like I was satisfied with this color, and it's kind of hard to see the color when the hair is wet, but once it dries and you blow dry it and everything, you can actually see the color, and it was giving me what I wanted. So here I am blow drying it out, and just you can see the color, like it's like that auburn with the reddish tone and the brown color. It's just real fall-like, and I really like the color a lot. And this was the final look and install on my client. And she really liked the color, and I'm really satisfied with how it came out too. I really love this color. It's real nice and soft, and it goes great with her skin.
Yeah. Now when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. I got hitters on my block every day. And when I pull up to the spot, they go crazy. You know I do this for my block every day.